Let us take a look at the uses of the verb hacer. Most often, hacer is used as the verb to do or to make. Estoy haciendo mi tarea. Hice mi cama. Hacer is used in a number of time expressions, including how long an action has been taking place. Hace un mes que estudio química. Estudio química desde hace un mes. In these situations, hacer is conjugated in the present tense as hace. For how long ago an action took place. Hace un mes que estudiaste química. Estudiaste química hace un mes. So again, hacer is conjugated in the present tense as hace. Notice that you do not use desde if you refer to an action that took place and ended a certain amount of time ago. The preterite conjugation of estudiar in these examples indicates that the action took place a month ago. If you were to conjugate it in the present, it would indicate that the action has been going on for the entire month. For how long ago an action had been taking place. Hacía una hora que estudiaba química. Estudiaba química desde hacía una hora. Hacía un mes que quería estudiar química. Quería estudiar química desde hacía un mes. Hacía un mes que buscamos una clase de química. Buscamos una clase de química desde hacía un mes. In all of these examples, hacer is conjugated in the imperfect as hacía. And for actions that were interrupted in the past. Hacía una hora que descansaba cuando me interrumpiste. Descansaba hacía una hora cuando me interrumpiste. Descansaba desde hacía una hora cuando me interrumpiste. And hacer is again conjugated in the imperfect as hacía. Hacer can also be used for weather expressions and a few other expressions as well. And that briefly sums up different ways in which the verb hacer can be used. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you can do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.